Nadia Albano here, and today I'm going to show you how to temporarily eliminate that gray using Goldwell's Dualsenses Root Retouch powder. The thing I love about this product is that it is waterproof, it is sweat proof, it is pillowcase proof, and it's in a powder. And typically these root touch-up sprays come in a spray, and this one is more in a powder form. So you would select your shade and try to find something that matches your natural color as closely as possible. And then it comes with this applicator. You can see that I've already tested this product out. And you literally just dab it in and dab it on. That's it. It's amazing. As I said, it's like super easy. Look at this. You literally just dab it onto the hairline wherever you see any gray. I'm using the medium brown shade. This is available in 5 shades. It comes in the lightest blonde, medium to dark blonde, copper red, medium brown, and then darkest brown to black. Goldwell Dualsenses Root Retouch is a great product, especially if you're traveling. You can pop it in your bag. It's easy to use. As I mentioned earlier, it's waterproof and sweat-proof and stain-proof, and it retails at $29.50. So you really can't go wrong with this product. If you have any more questions about this, let me know, but this is a really quick and simple tutorial for all of us that are needing that little bit of extra coverage at the regrowth and want something quick and easy and efficient. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and we'll see you again next time. Take care, guys. If you haven't already done so, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Please share it with your friends, as well as join me on Instagram at Nadia Albano Style Inc.